Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content I am sharing from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and also share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay? And of course, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GameX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GameX 1200. It had been on uptrend but has not been able to break out above this resistance zone. So it's trying to go back into a downtrend, but it is finding difficult. You can see it playing around here for a very long time, but I still believe this is still going to give us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it will not give us that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be um GameX 999, and this had been on uptrend for a while. It played around there for a while but broke out above it to buy more, and it is still buying. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. If it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, this is PNX 1200. It started a downtrend right from here and it has been selling. It broke out from this support zone to sell more, and of course, when there is a breakout, it means that it's going to go more in that direction. Okay, so that is why it is still selling more. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out PNX 999. Okay, guys, this is PNX 999. This started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it has been buying since then. Got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, and of course, it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, and of course, if it's if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. So we expect more of a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, so now the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend for a while. You can see it right from there. It's been on uptrend, just broke out above this resistance zone to buy more. So this is still going to give us more of a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zones. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis before you jump into it. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video in with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.